After you've turned and finished your pen barrels, it's now time for the final step of putting the pen parts together. First, review the assembly instructions provided with your pen kit. Lay the pieces on a work surface in the order you'll assemble them, like the slimline ballpoint twist pen kit. If you want to make just a few pens, you could use a vise or a one-handed squeeze clamp to assemble them. But if you plan to make a lot of pens, you'll probably want to invest in a pen press or pen assembly disassembly pen press. These presses are the best way to easily and effectively press your pen parts together. The pen assembly disassembly press also gives you the ability to disassemble a pen in case you make an assembly mistake. Every pen kit has a similar assembly process, but may vary slightly. Here, we're assembling a slimline pen kit. To assemble your pen, first press the pen tip into the bottom end of the front pen tube until the parts come tightly together. Make sure to use slow, even pressure. Next, slowly press the twist mechanism, brass end first, into the pen barrel end opposite the pen tip. Insert and press the mechanism just to the indication mark. Make sure to press the front tube into the twist mechanism beyond the circular ring. Keep the parts perfectly straight when assembling to avoid possibly damaging the parts. Next, slide the refill cartridge into the pen mechanism. Twist the mechanism clockwise to make sure the end of the pen mechanism protrudes beyond the pen tip. If the refill end doesn't extend far enough beyond the tip, remove the refill cartridge and drive the mechanism just a fraction more into the front tube. Recheck the fit of the mechanism. If you've pushed the mechanism too far into the tube, use the pen disassembly function to drive the mechanism back out. Slide the band over the exposed mechanism. Press the metal cap into the clip, then onto the rear tube using the pen press. Finally, push the two halves together and align the grain. Twist the two halves in opposite directions to extend or retract the writing point. This pen assembly process is very similar for almost any pen kit. Whether you make this ballpoint twist pen or a ballpoint click pen, rollerball pen, or fountain pen, just refer to your pen kit instructions for any slight assembly variations and you're good to go.